Welcome! If you're looking to quickly delete all messages for everyone in a Telegram chat on your PC using the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want to clear out a cluttered conversation or just tidy up your chat history, Telegram's new features make it easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps together so you can do this in just a few clicks. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, find the chat you want to clear from your chat list. This could be a private conversation, a group, or any chat where you want to remove your message history. Once you've located the chat, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the one that says Clear History and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to wipe all messages from the chat at once, instead of deleting them one by one. Now, here's the important part. After clicking Clear History, a pop-up will appear. In this window, you'll see a checkbox labeled Also Delete for contact's name, or Also Delete for everyone. Make sure to check this box. By doing so, you're ensuring that the messages are removed not just from your device, but from the other person's chat as well. This is perfect for maintaining privacy or starting fresh. After you've checked the box, confirm your decision by clicking the confirmation button, usually labeled Delete or Clear. Telegram will process your request, and in a moment, all messages in that chat will be gone for both you and the other participants. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've deleted all messages for everyone in a Telegram chat on your PC. This update makes managing your conversations fast and hassle-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to keep exploring more Telegram tips and stay on top of the latest features. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.